Max Rosa is a researcher at the University of Oxford, and he's also the founder of a web platform called Our World in Data. Now, you probably know about Our World in Data, but if you don't, go and take a look. It's a really excellent site. In fact, if you do know about it, go and take another look, because it's worth exploring. The idea behind Our World in Data is to use data to gain insight into some of the big issues facing the world and humanity, whether that's poverty, healthcare, economic issues, or climate change. And they've done a particularly good job recently of gathering and visualizing data about COVID-19. So it's very interesting just to read and learn about what's going on in the world and some of those big issues. But more than that, if you're interested in using data, handling data, visualizing data, you could learn a lot from this site as well. Just the way they display and visualize their data, it's done very well, it's done very clearly. So one of the things you could do, because the way it's laid out enables you to do this, is you can download that data and play around with it yourself. So take a look at their visualizations, see if you can copy them, see if you can improve them, and that will be a very useful exercise for you. The other thing you should take a look at is their GitHub page. So if you go down to the bottom of their website and you click on the GitHub link, you will see there, once you go through to GitHub, a link to all of their data sets. So you'll be able to choose data sets that you like, download them yourself, and play around with them. And I would really urge you to do that, because not only will it help you to improve your own skills on working with data, but you'll also gain some great insight into topics that you're interested in. So go and take a look.